sebutkan tadi. Nah, kalian masih ingat nggak ada berapa farm animals yang kita sebutkan tadi? Nah, mari kita simak sambil bermain. Yes, let's listen and guess. Mari kita dengarkan dan tebak.
Yeah! Okay guys, you ready for the first one?
Ready?
Okay, the first one, it has wings and a crest, and it makes a sound like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, yes, it is a chicken, but McDonald, a better word for it is actually a rooster because it has a crest.
Oh, yeah, rooster.
Okay, but don't worry, there's more. Come here, come on, no, there's still more. Okay, get ready for the next one. Now, the next one is a big animal. It's black and white. We get milk from it, and it makes a sound like this.
It's a ghost? No.
Ah, McDonald. Moo, moo. Okay,
Oh, yes.
All right, now, McDonald, you have to try really hard to guess this one right, okay? All right, now, this one is, it's white, and it's furry, and it makes a noise like this. What?
That is goat.
No, it's not a goat. We get wool from it. It's like a goat, but it's not.
It's a sheep.
He got one right. Okay, wait, come back. We still have one more.
Okay.
Now let's see if you can get this right, I'm going to give you a special prize. Okay?
Oh, thank you.
All right.
For you.
Now this one is a very funny animal. It's pink, and it has a very funny nose, and it makes a noise like this. Oink, 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 oink.
I know.
What?
That's a bee.
That's a pig. Okay, did you guys at home get them all as well? You did? You were smarter than McDonald? Well, that's great. And now it's time for us to sing. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a clap clap here and a clap clap there, here a clap, there a clap, everywhere a clap clap. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay guys, well guess what? It's time for us to take a quick commercial break, but we'll be back real soon with a review of Sing With Me! Quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Do you know what horses' nails are called? Yep, that's right. They're called hooves. Do you know what hens produce? They produce eggs, which contain a lot of protein. That's good for our body.